Hello everyone, and welcome back to another GL-RMQ1 tutorial. Today, we'll walk you through the step-by-step setup of the Comet Q. For clarity, the controlling device will be referred to as Device A, and the device being controlled as Device B. Comet Q allows remote control on the mobile device. The setup steps for any mobile devices are the same. In this video, we will be using a desktop to remote control a Mac Mini, laptop, and a phone. First, plug Comet Q into the device B. There will be on-screen instructions for you to follow. First, adjust the orientation of the screen. Go through the privacy policy and click Accept. Set up a 4-digit lock screen password. And now let's connect a Wi-Fi to Comet Q. Done. Reminder: when your device B is a phone or a tablet, please ensure assistive touch or mouse settings are enabled in your device's accessibility menu. Now it's time to remote access the device B. There are several ways to do this. Remote access via GLKVM app, browser, or local access via browser. If you are using the first two methods, you'd need a GLKVM account on our cloud service. To set up an account, go to GLKVM.com. Create an account or sign up using your Gmail details. And log in. Now it's time to bind Comet Q to your account. First, click on Add Device and Bind with Code. To get your code, go to the Comet Q touchscreen settings and enable cloud service, and then generate dynamic binding code. Your Comet Q is now successfully bound to your account and ready for remote access. Click Remote Control, and you will be directed to the admin password page. And you're done. You are now accessing device B remotely. Now let's look at the other two access methods. If you prefer not to use GLKVM Cloud, you can access Comet Q directly through local browser access. For local access, first, make sure your device A and Comet Q are both under the same local area network. Go to glkvm.local or the IP address of Comet Q. You'll be asked to set up an admin password for the device. And done. You are now controlling device B in a browser. And that's everything you need to get started with Comet Q. Whether you're accessing your devices through the GLKVM app, a browser, or local browser access, Comet Q makes device control simple and flexible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more GL-RMQ tutorials.